First, I started working in my dad's pharmacy, educating customers about specific vitamins and supplements they should be utilizing to improve their overall health. And now I'm here on YouTube, educating you guys and thousands of people about the benefits of various supplements and vitamins. So today I'm here to talk to you about a particular vitamin that is very powerful at improving overall motivation, drive, and is associated with improving dopamine function. So in today's video, we're going to cover Thiamax, which is a particular B vitamin that I've utilized over the years personally, and also I've prescribed it to various clients to improve energy, motivation, reduce fatigue, and improve their overall quality of life. So let's get into today's video. We're going to be covering Thiamax. Thiamax is a high-potency vitamin B1 known as TTFD, thiamine tetrahydrofururyl disulfide. This is the synthetic counterpart of allithiamine, which occurs naturally in garlic. TTFD is a derivative of thiamine with an improved bioavailability and solubility. It has been widely applied to health maintenance and disease therapy. Thiamine is part of the B vitamin complex, which consists of 8 different vitamins that help the body convert food into energy, playing a crucial role in the body's metabolism of carbohydrates. It's essential for the proper functioning of the nervous system, muscles, and heart. Now, what makes TTFD so interesting? When it comes to vitamin B1, thiamine hydrochloride is the most common form, which can be often found in most multivitamins and B complex formulas. This form is water soluble, which therefore has a rate limited capacity for absorption. In comparison, fat soluble TTFD, also referred to as allithiamine, can diffuse through plasma membranes easily, which significantly increases thiamine throughout our bloodstream, red blood cells, cerebrospinal fluid, and urine. It is especially prominent that TTFD increases thiamine levels in the brain, elevating circulating thiamine with peak activity being reached in 1 to 3 hours. As allithiamines are fat soluble, they can transport across the intestinal wall with ease. Despite other fat soluble derivatives on the market, allithiamines' disulfide bond plays a key role in facilitating penetration of the cell membrane and increasing thiamine levels in the brain. Now, what does the research suggest about Thiamax or TTFD? Research on TTFD has primarily focused on its therapeutic benefits on conditions associated with thiamine deficiency. Thiamine plays a crucial role in energy metabolism and nerve function. Studies have investigated Thiamax's efficacy in treating conditions such as Wernicke-Korsakoff syndrome, diabetic neuropathy, and other neuropathies. Thiamax is believed to have better bioavailability compared to conventional thiamine supplements, potentially leading to improved outcomes in thiamine deficient conditions. However, while some studies have shown promising results in certain patient populations, more research is needed to fully understand the effectiveness of Thiamax compared to other forms of thiamine supplementation and its potential benefits in various medical conditions. Let's have a look at the evolution of TTFD. Thiamine tetrahydrofururyl disulfide, TTFD, serves as the synthetic analog of allithiamine, a compound naturally found in garlic. Allithiamine was first identified in Japan back in 1951. A research collective called the Vitamin B Research Committee of Japan extensively documented its properties. The name allithiamine reflects its prevalence in the bulbs of various allium plant species. Through experimental investigations conducted on both animals and humans, researchers discovered that a derivative of thiamine, emerged as a disulfide compound. This transformation occurred due to enzymatic processes triggered within garlic bulbs upon cutting or crushing. Further examination unveiled that its metabolic impact surpassed that of its precursor, thiamine, demonstrating significantly heightened effectiveness. Japanese researchers developed various synthetic variants and examined their potential applications across several human health conditions. Despite synthesizing some derivatives lacking a disulfide bond, these investigators underscored the pivotal role of the disulfide bond in its biological activity. Among these derivatives, TTFD stands out as the most contemporary disulfide variant. Given that some of its beneficial effects overlap with those of water-soluble thiamine salts, this review initially addresses the clinical applications of thiamine vitamin B1 in medical practice. So, how does TTFD actually work in the human body? Thiamine combines with adenosine triphosphate, ATP, within the liver, kidneys, and leukocytes, resulting in the formation of thiamine diphosphate. Thiamine diphosphate serves as a coenzyme crucial for various metabolic processes, including carbohydrate metabolism, transcatylation reactions, and the utilization of hexose within the hexose monophosphate shunt pathway. In the absence of sufficient thiamine, pyruvic acid fails to convert into acetyl-CoA and thus cannot enter the Krebs cycle. Consequently, pyruvic acid accumulates in the bloodstream and undergoes conversion into lactic acid, potentially leading to the onset of lactic acidosis. Furthermore, reduced production of NADH within the Krebs cycle contributes to lactic acid formation by promoting anaerobic glycolysis. As Thiamax is a more potent variant of thiamine, the dosage required is lower in comparison to alternative forms. Let's have a look at how TTFD can increase energy levels in the human body. Impaired energy metabolism is often cited as a potential culprit for fatigue. TTFD is known for its efficient absorption from the intestinal tract, where it undergoes conversion into thiamine pyrophosphate. TPP serves as a crucial cofactor for enzymes participating in metabolic pathways crucial for generating adenosine triphosphate, ATP, the body's primary energy currency. Studies suggest that TTFD exerts its anti-fatigue effects by enhancing energy metabolism, particularly during periods of physical exertion-induced fatigue. It appears to boost our baseline energy levels over time whilst also being non-habitual, addicting, or unsustainable in the long term. Moving on, let's have a look at how TTFD can actually improve carbohydrate metabolism. Thiamax, a supplement containing thiamine tetrahydrofururyl disulfide, TTFD, may potentially improve carbohydrate absorption through several mechanisms. Here are some ways it could work, supported by studies. Enhanced thiamine levels. Thiamax increases thiamine levels in the body, particularly in the form of thiamine pyrophosphate, TPP. TPP is a cofactor for several enzymes involved in carbohydrate metabolism, including transcriptase, which plays a role in the pentose phosphate pathway and helps generate NADPH, a crucial cofactor for fatty acid synthesis. Higher thiamine levels can thus facilitate more efficient carbohydrate metabolism. Improved intestinal absorption. Studies suggest that TTFD is readily absorbed from the intestinal tract. By enhancing thiamine absorption, Thiamax ensures that an adequate supply of thiamine is available for metabolic processes, including carbohydrate digestion and absorption. Enhanced energy production. Carbohydrates are the primary source of energy for the body, and thiamine is essential for converting carbohydrates into energy through aerobic metabolism in the citric acid cycle. By supporting thiamine-dependent enzymes involved in energy production, Thiamax can potentially optimize carbohydrate utilization and ATP synthesis. Regulation of glucose metabolism. Thiamine has been shown to influence glucose metabolism and insulin sensitivity. Studies have indicated that thiamine supplementation may improve glucose tolerance and insulin sensitivity in both animal and human studies. By promoting better glucose control, Thiamax can potentially enhance carbohydrate absorption and utilization. Reduced oxidative stress. Thiamine has antioxidant properties that can help mitigate oxidative stress, which is known to impair carbohydrate metabolism. By reducing oxidative damage to cells and tissues, Thiamax may indirectly improve carbohydrate absorption and utilization. Thiamine serves as a vital coenzyme for pyruvate dehydrogenase, PDH, an enzyme crucial for the mitochondrial oxidation of carbohydrate-derived substrates to produce ATP, the body's primary energy currency. In cases of thiamine deficiency, the activity of PDH is diminished, leading to a reduction in carbohydrate oxidation. Therefore, supplementing with thiamine helps restore and enhance carbohydrate metabolism in individuals experiencing thiamine deficiency. Now let's explore how TTFD can actually improve or enhance our mood. Thiamine plays a role in dopamine synthesis indirectly through its involvement in carbohydrate metabolism. Dopamine is synthesized from the amino acid tyrosine, which is derived from dietary proteins. Thiamine, as a cofactor for enzymes involved in carbohydrate metabolism, helps provide energy for cellular processes, including the conversion of tyrosine into dopamine. Therefore, by supporting overall cellular metabolism, thiamine indirectly contributes to dopamine synthesis. Now, just a reminder, you can purchase TTFD or Thiamax in the video description down below. Be sure to check that out if you do want to purchase a high quality Thiamax product. I'll make sure to leave that linked down below in the video description. Thiamine serves as a protective factor against depression and promotes overall well-being. Initial observations linking thiamine deficiency with depressive symptoms were documented in a study involving 74 patients who had experienced malnutrition. Furthermore, a cross-sectional study involving over 1,500 Chinese individuals aged 50-70 revealed that those with lower levels of thiamine exhibited more pronounced signs of depression. Additionally, research conducted demonstrated notable improvements in depression symptoms among patients diagnosed with major depressive disorder following 6 weeks of thiamine supplementation in comparison to a placebo group. So how can TTFD actually combat fatigue? Research on TTFD and its potential to combat fatigue is still emerging. There are several proposed mechanisms supported by studies. As a precursor to thiamine pyrophosphate, TPP plays a crucial role in energy metabolism. TPP acts as a cofactor for enzymes involved in carbohydrate metabolism and ATP production. By optimizing these metabolic pathways, TTFD can potentially increase energy levels and alleviate fatigue. Improved mitochondrial function. Mitochondria are the cellular powerhouse responsible for ATP synthesis. Thiamine deficiency can impair mitochondrial function, leading to fatigue. TTFD supplementation may help restore mitochondrial function by providing the necessary cofactor for enzymes involved in mitochondrial energy production. Reduced oxidative stress. Oxidative stress contributes to fatigue by damaging cells and impairing energy production. TTFD has antioxidant properties that can help reduce oxidative stress and its detrimental effects on cellular function. Neurotransmitter regulation. Thiamine is involved in the synthesis of neurotransmitters such as acetylcholine and gamma-aminobutyric acid, GABA, which play roles in energy regulation and fatigue. TTFD supplementation may support neurotransmitter synthesis, thereby modulating energy levels and reducing fatigue. While direct studies on TTFD's effects on neurotransmitters and fatigue are limited, research on thiamine's role in neurotransmitter synthesis supports this hypothesis. What can TTFD stack well with? Thiamine, also known as vitamin B1, works synergistically with several other vitamins and minerals to support overall health and well-being. Thiamine works in conjunction with other B vitamins such as riboflavin, vitamin B2, niacin, vitamin B3, pantothenic acid, vitamin B5, pyridoxine, vitamin B6, then biotin, vitamin B7, folate, vitamin B9, and finally cobalamin, vitamin B12. These vitamins play interrelated roles in energy metabolism, nervous system function, and cellular health. Next up, thiamine pairs well with magnesium. Thiamine and magnesium are both involved in energy metabolism and play crucial roles in nerve function. Magnesium is a cofactor for enzymes involved in thiamine activation, and adequate magnesium levels are necessary for thiamine utilization. Omega-3 fatty acids, they may enhance the efficacy of thiamine in addressing conditions related to nervous system function and mood regulation. Let's have a look at the potential side effects of TTFD. TTFD is generally considered safe when used as directed. However, with any supplement, there can be some side effects, particularly when using high dosages over a longer period of time. While uncommon, some potential side effects may include restlessness, nausea, greater sweating, itching, flushing, and finally low blood pressure. Now, what are people saying about TTFD? Overall, healthcare professionals may view Thiamax positively, as thiamine plays a crucial role in energy metabolism and nerve function, and supplementation may be recommended for individuals with thiamine deficiency or conditions that increase thiamine requirements. A YouTube account called EO Nutrition, run by a nutritional therapist named Elliot Overton, has a lot of positive information regarding megadosing thiamine and its results in combating chronic health conditions, as well as improving overall health and well-being, whilst highlighting the benefits and utilizing human evidence. What is the recommended dosage for this particular compound? In regards to dosing TTFD supplements, for most people, 50 mg 100 mg is a sufficient dose. It is said that it is best taken in the morning alongside a meal, as it can potentially keep some people awake. So in summary, Thiamax is a high-potency B1 vitamin known as TTFD, thiamine tetrahydrofuryl disulfide, with a high bioavailability serving as a precursor to thiamine pyrophosphate, TPP, the active form of thiamine in the body. TPP acts as a crucial cofactor for several enzymes involved in energy metabolism. It can have a variety of benefits in regards to certain health conditions and overall health and well-being. Some benefits include improved carbohydrate metabolization, enhancing mood and combating fatigue. Research and studies have shown efficacious evidence that supplementing with TTFD should be safe when taken in appropriate dosages with very little risk, and is non-habitual/addicting when taken long-term. And that pretty much wraps up today's video. Thank you so much for tuning in. If you have any questions or comments about Thiamax, leave it down below. Let's get a discussion going. Thank you guys for tuning in. I look forward to seeing you in the next video.